When you practice the standing forward bend, known as Uttanasana, you are essentially folding forward from your hips while standing. This allows for a really good stretch in the back of your legs and spine. Here's how to do it, along with some things you should keep in mind, and the benefits by doing standing forward bend.
Dear friends, hello! This video is very important and valuable for your life, so don't forget to like. Tell me in the comments where are you looking at me from? Subscribe the channel if you new. Thanks for watching this video.
Precautions for standing forward bend.
If you have got issues with your lower back or have had hamstring injuries, it is best to be cautious and not push too hard. Avoid overstretching. For pregnant individuals, it is recommended to keep your legs hip-width apart during the pose. This gives your belly space and prevents unnecessary pressure on your abdomen. Folks dealing with high blood pressure or glaucoma should be careful not to keep their head lower than their heart for too long during the pose. Do not practice standing forward bend if you have high blood pressure or heart diseases. Instead, consider alternative yoga poses or consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance on suitable yoga. Just remember to pay attention to how your body feels and do not push yourself too hard. If anything feels uncomfortable or painful, ease out of the pose and consider talking to a yoga instructor or healthcare professional for guidance.
How to do standing forward bend.
Start in mountain pose, Uttanasana, with your feet hip-width apart and arms relaxed by your sides. Take a deep breath in and lengthen your spine, gently lifting your chest. As you exhale, engage your core muscles and slowly start bending forward from your hips. If needed, bend your knees slightly to bring your fingertips or palms to the floor beside your feet. Let your head hang heavy, releasing any tension in your neck and shoulders. While maintaining a long spine, gradually straighten your legs to deepen the stretch, if you can. Hold the pose for about 30 seconds to a minute, taking slow and deep breaths. To release, bend your knees and slowly roll up to standing, vertebra by vertebra.
Benefits of standing forward bend.
This pose stretches your hamstrings, calves, and hips, which improves flexibility and makes moving around easier. It also eases tension in your spine and back muscles, helping you feel more relaxed and less stressed out. Standing forward bend stimulates your digestive organs, which can aid in digestion and relieve any bloating or discomfort you might be feeling. It has a calming effect on your mind and nervous system, helping you feel more at ease and clear-headed. Plus, it can help alleviate symptoms of anxiety, depression, and fatigue by encouraging deep breathing and mindfulness.